Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruthi Studios and Ruthi here. Today I am back with a new video showing you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome for Android. Enabling dark mode in Google Chrome is very easy but a little bit tricky. For example, if you want to enable dark mode in YouTube, you can directly go to the settings of the YouTube and enable dark mode. Let's see. I am in YouTube. I am going to the settings, general, and here I see the dark mode. As soon as I enable the dark mode, YouTube will be converted into dark mode automatically. But in the case of Google Chrome, it is not the same situation. You cannot find the dark mode settings directly in the Google Chrome settings as you find it easily in YouTube. When I go to Google Chrome browser settings, I didn't see any option related to dark mode. For the dark mode to be visible, we need to do a little tweaking. Don't worry, you're not going to install any third-party applications or mods or not even rooting your mobile phone. We are just tweaking it in the settings of the Google Chrome itself. To make the dark mode visible in Google Chrome settings directly, search Chrome flags in the search bar and hit enter. So then you will be landed on an experimental settings page where all the tweaking happens. On the experimental page, there is another search bar where we can search anything we want, and I will search for the dark mode here and press enter. After you press enter, you will be shown with results having the dark mode options. Depending upon your mobile phone and the Android version you are using, you will be shown with different kind of options. Do not worry about all the options, just consider the options saying Android Web Contents Dark Mode and Android Chrome UI Dark Mode. Let's see what is the difference between these two dark modes. Let's first see about the Android Chrome UI Dark Mode. This one converts only the UI of the Chrome into dark mode but not the web pages. If you browse any web pages like Flipkart, etc., they will still be shown in the light color only. Only Chrome related UI like settings page or landing page, etc. will be converted into dark mode. Then comes the web contents dark mode. This one will convert the whole web pages into dark mode. If you browse any web page, it will be converted into dark mode and displayed. Let's enable one by one and see how it looks. To enable it, click on default and select enable option. As soon as you enable it, Google Chrome asks for relaunch. Just relaunch it. Google will be automatically relaunched. Now go to the settings of the Google Chrome and search for options related to dark mode or themes or anything like that. If you are not able to find any option, just relaunch Chrome again manually to see the option in the Google Chrome settings. So I am relaunching the Google Chrome manually to see the changes in the settings. Now I go to settings and see an option called themes here. So I go into the themes and see a dark mode option is available. So we need to enable the dark mode. So I enable the dark mode and I completely see that Google Chrome UI is converted to dark mode. All the Chrome related options are also completely converted into dark mode now. But web pages are still in light mode only. Let's browse any website and see how they looks. I'm going to the Google home page and Google is still in the light mode since we haven't enabled dark mode for the web pages. So let's go to the experimental page again and enable dark mode for web pages, so that all the Google Chrome is completely converted into dark mode with the UI and the web pages too. So I'm enabling the dark mode for the web contents also and relaunching Google Chrome for the effects to take immediately. Now Google Chrome is relaunched and I will browse any of the web page to check whether the changes are affected or not. I go to Google homepage and test it. Voila! It's in dark mode now. Okay, let's test it with another one more site. I go to Amazon and see how it is handled. I see that Amazon is also completely converted into dark mode and displayed pretty well. So guys, this is how you can convert Google Chrome in Android into dark mode with the help of a simple tweaking without using any third-party apps or rooting your phone. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Subscribe to Ruthi Studios and press the bell icon to get the updates directly right into your inbox.